Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bookmark a Google Docs page. So all you have to do is just go ahead and find the page within the Google Docs that you want to bookmark. Let's say I want to bookmark page 2. I can go down to page 2, guys, and you just need to find the page that you want. Now once you go ahead and find the document or the page that you want to bookmark, simply click on the insert option here at the menus, and you want to go down to where you have bookmark. Click on bookmark, and as you can see, once I click on that page is bookmarked. And the same goes for any page that you want. So you just need to find a page, click the top of the page, go to the insert, and you'll find bookmark in the list, and click on that, and that page will be bookmarked. Keep in mind that depending on the size of the text, that bookmark icon will be the size, so you want to be mindful of that. Otherwise you want to click a new page. So for example, if you look in the first line here, the bookmark logo is like that size. If I click in the second line here and I do the same thing, you will see that it turns out that size. If I go to the third line here and do the insert, you will see that it becomes that size as well. So keep that in mind. But that's how to go ahead and bookmark a page within Google Docs document. You can always go ahead and remove them anytime you wish by simple hover over the bookmark, and you have the bin. You can simply click on that and remove them. That's it. Very easy and very simple.